It's pack number 3 of the Hunt for Ugin in Tarkir Dragonstorm, the brand new set of Magic the Gathering. Let's dive right in. Alright, Champion of Dusan. Don't want to waste any time here. Ring and Strike Mastery. Poised Practitioner. Fire Rim Form. None of these are Ugin. Alatia's Legacy. Aggressive Negotiations. Sib-Sig, whatever, Appraiser. What is a Sib-Sig? Keru Goldkeeper. Ooh, that's a nice dragon. Sunset Strike Master. Way Speaker Bodyguard. We're getting towards the end. Inevitable Defeat. Ooh, Extended Art Scavenger Regent. Wow, this is a nice card. Frontline Rush is the holo. That's some really nice art on that as well. And just a plain old island and a spirit token.